GBN Social Buzz is reaching beyond the local platform to share with you what's trending on social media. We browse the World Wide Web and bring to you the topics inciting the most reaction and debate among users. Dr. Sean Charles, Chief Medical Officer, was a guest on this morning's To The Point program. He says COVID-19 vaccination numbers have been on the decline.
That has slowed down significant. I guess significant might be an understatement. Many persons do not, maybe they do not think that vaccines are important, an important element to combat the pandemic. Of course, we know all about the misinformation around vaccines. We know all of that because we've gone down that road already. But for whatever reasons, the number of persons that are coming forward for vaccination right now is minimal.
Our viewers and listeners took to the comment section to share their thoughts and concerns on the current COVID spike and their thoughts on vaccination to prevent the spread of the virus. The following views are of the members of the public and not necessarily of the GBN. Mary said, one can take this responsibility of safeguarding themselves on an individual basis, as is now done worldwide. Foray added, I agree, we can't continue under a state of emergency because it would also impact on the tourism sector. However, why did we remove testing from our various ports of entries? People traveling to the US must have a negative PCR test on entry. Alpha said, Dr. Charles is sending out mixed messages. He seems to have some concerns about the lifting of all the restrictions and what's happening because of the lifting of the restrictions. On the other hand, he is saying we can't remain under a state of emergency forever. Too much mixed messages. Ingrid added, people of Grenada, vaccination saves lives. And on the other hand, please don't forget the protocols. Wear your masks, social distance, and sanitize. She went on to say, caller, the government can't make anyone take the vaccine. This is a personal choice. But if you want to live a little longer and not go on a ventilator, people will do the right thing and take the vaccine. Antonita said, with all the increased activities, there are a lot of anti-vaxxers, anti-maskers attending. So what do we expect? To each his or her own. Don't blame the government. To submit your think pieces on trending topics locally, regionally, and internationally via our Facebook page and YouTube channel. Continue to share your thoughts and concerns with us on our social media platforms.